We often get asked the question, when do we replace our car seat? So let's start on the obvious one, that is when your child outgrows it. So car seats have height and weight and age limits. So when your child reaches any of them, then that is time to replace that car seat. The second condition under which you will replace a car seat, if your car seat is damaged. And that's why we have this car seat here, because there's clear damage to the car seat body. Here you will see white marks here where this car seat was damaged during a crash. This is the point where a seat belt anchors, and that is usually where you see the damage that is caused by a crash. Then if a car seat has been in a crash, you stop using it, especially if it is an ISOFIX seat. That mechanism inside the ISOFIX arm, you cannot inspect that for damage. So we assume that when a car seat with an ISOFIX installation has been in a crash, replace. Car seat that you installed with a seat belt, there is leeway, and if you are not sure, always err on the side of safety. Get a new car seat because it has already done its job. It has already protected during a crash. So let it retire, let it become a plastic bag. You can still donate it to us. What we do when we get there, we obviously take these seats out and they get recycled. It will be sent away. It will never be a car seat again because it has done what it was supposed to do. And then also when your car seat is just simply too old. As much as car seats don't expire like a lettuce does, they do get old. And in this car seat you can see it looks decidedly sad and the upholstery doesn't fit proper anymore. So this would be a good time to replace your car seat. But also, car seat technology advances. Newer designs are safer and better and easier to install than old car seats. So if you do have a car seat that is old, rather discard of it. Again, you can donate it to us. When it comes to us, we will put it aside. If there's any cringe factor about a car seat, we put it aside to be recycled, because what we are about and what you are about as a parent is the safety of your child during a crash.
Thank you for watching. If you have a car seat your child has outgrown, consider donating it at your nearest SuperQuick. Together with Wheelwell, we can help protect children and save lives. For more information, visit superquick.com or wheelwell.co.za.